Hey everyone, welcome to the Waiver channel. Today I'll show you how to change your age on Discord. Open your browser and search for Discord support. You can click Submit a request right away. Here, select Problem. That's what we need. We need help and support. Enter your email and explain what you need. We should have selected Apps and Age Update at the top. Click on Update My Age Information. Enter your phone, age, reason, and description. There. Next, send a photo holding your ID showing your birth date clearly. And a piece of paper in your teeth. Right? Oh no, I mean a paper with your Discord username. Then you can change your age. That's all. This was Waiver. See you later, everyone.